Hey everybody, this is Mr. Beckstrom, and I had a forum question about this problem here. This is from section 7.6, polar coordinates, and it said convert the polar coordinate of the following point to rectangular coordinates. So first of all, let's understand what this means. So if you think about this point here, it's at negative 300 degrees, which if you were to start at 0 and go to negative 300, it's going to be this angle right here. We could also just add 360 to that. And let's see here. So negative 300 plus 360. Remember, using coterminal angles. That's the same as the 60-degree angle. So it's this angle right here. And it goes negative square root of 39. So that means it goes in the opposite direction. So it's going this direction right here, the opposite direction, this distance there. So let's kind of get an idea of what we're talking about here. So second square root of 39. So about 6.2. So it goes a distance of about 6.2. And then it stops in that direction. So here's our point right there. So that's going to be negative root 39 and negative 300 degrees here. And we want to convert that to rectangular coordinates. So we should have some negative x value and some negative y value because it's going to be here in the third quadrant. This is just to kind of give us an idea of where it's going to be. And we have to remember that a negative radius here means that it does not go in the direction of the angle, it goes in the opposite direction of the angle. That's what a negative here. All right, but we have a formula for it, and it's this right here. X is equal to r times the cosine of theta, and y is equal to r times the sine of theta. So as long as we keep our stuff straight and we simplify correctly, we should get this. So let's start with the x. So x is going to equal to negative times the square root of 39. Negative square root of 39 times the cosine of negative 300. All right, so this is equal to, gotta get my negative root 39, and I'm going to use coterminal angles, so that's the same as the cosine of 60. Cosine of 60 degrees. I should be using little degrees there. And that is equal to negative root 39 times, and the cosine of 60 degrees is 1/2. So 1/2. And that's just going to be negative root 39 all over 2. So that is my x value here. So we're going in the x direction, whatever value that is, negative root 39 over 2. So that's my x coordinate. So I should negative root 39 over 2. So now we just need my y coordinate there. All right, so for my y is going to equal negative root 39 using this formula here. Negative root 39 times the sine. I already know that using coterminal angles, that's the sine of 60 degrees, right? 60 degrees, just add 360 to negative 300. So that is equal to negative root 39 times the sine of 60 degrees. That's the square root of 3 over 2. So that's going to be equal to negative root 39 So that's going to be negative root 39 times 3. So 39 times 3 is 117. And you might notice that 117 is divided by 9. So we can actually, 9 is a perfect square. So this is, we're going to see what that means in a second. So this is 117 over 2. So you can pull the 9 out of there, which becomes a 3. So that's going to be equal to negative 3. And that leaves, I think, a 13 left we showed. Yes. 3, 13, all over 2. And that's your y coordinate there. So you're going to go in the y direction, negative 3, square root of 13, all over 2. All right, and that's it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you all have a great rest of your week. Thanks.